I'm here to tell you as a fellow YouTuber, not to give up. Don't be discouraged. One of the reasons I started this new channel is so that I can walk along with you and help you grow your channel, as I grow mine. We can share our journey together, our ups as well as downs. Let me give you some insight of where I am in my channel right now. If you've been to my channel, you'll know that this is just the 13th video that I've uploaded, but my views are increasing, especially on my first video, and the number of subscribers are steadily growing as well. I know that YouTube success takes time, so I'm patient and persistent. I don't have any fantastical expectations that one of my videos will suddenly go viral and get 300,000 views by tomorrow morning. I play the long game, because that's how the YouTube game has to be played. My upload schedule is about one new video every 2 days. I try different thumbnail messages and video titles after a few days to see what works and what doesn't. I keep my content focused narrowly only on one niche and get right to the point in my videos. I try to make useful content that is practical and easy to follow. I use cartoons, pictures, and videos to keep my viewers' attention, and ask them to like and subscribe only after I've given them value. I began this channel in February 2023, and by the end of this year, I plan to have 100 to 150 videos uploaded on my channel. I'm giving you insight into what I plan to do to make my channel successful so you can learn from my methodology and succeed as well. It's easy to get discouraged, but I encourage you to stay grounded and do the practical daily things that will get you to step 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Let's stay patient and persistent in our journey, and share how things are going along the way. I'd love to hear from you about your own YouTube journey. Obviously, this isn't my real voice, but I am a real person behind this channel, so I'd love to hear from you. We fellow tube masters have to stick together and encourage each other along the way, until we can celebrate our successes together later. Oh, and please like and subscribe, if my content was helpful to you. Lastly, I do want to mention that there is an affiliate link in the description below. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel success, and want to learn from a person who has over 10 hugely successful channels, I can think of no one better than Matt Parr. I highly recommend his course. Please check out the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video.